To make a thumbnail using AI, first we need inspiration. For that, head over to YouTube and search for the title of your video. For example, I'm searching this. Then I will find a good-looking thumbnail. Then right-click on the thumbnail and click Copy the image. After that, head over to ChatGPT and paste the thumbnail there. Then write this command, give me an image generation prompt for this thumbnail, and hit Enter. Now copy this prompt and go to ideogram.ai. Here paste the prompt and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then click Generate. And in a few seconds, your thumbnail will be generated. It gives you 4 results. You can choose any. And if you didn't like the generation, you can regenerate to get new results. Okay, we got these results, but I didn't like the results. So now let's change the prompt and try again. Head back to ChatGPT and type, improve the prompt for better results, and hit Enter. It will improve the prompt. Copy it and go back to ideogram again. Now paste this new prompt and generate it again. We got these results. If you like any from here, it's good, but if you don't, repeat it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.